Every organization is rushing to adopt AI, but not every organization is ready to secure it. Today, regulators, customers, and leadership teams expect more than AI capabilities. They expect proof of AI governance, risk management, security, and ethical oversight. That's where our AI maturity assessment comes in. We help you understand how prepared your AI ecosystem is across governance, security, risk, compliance, and responsible AI practices. Our approach is simple. We start by identifying your AI assets, models, data, and workflows. Next, we assess risks, security controls, and governance processes against industry best practices. We then analyze the findings, identify maturity gaps, and prioritize what matters most. Finally, we deliver a clear roadmap with actionable recommendations to strengthen your AI program. The result? A measurable view of your AI maturity, stronger stakeholder confidence, and a secure path from AI innovation to production. Let's show you how on a quick call. Reach out today.